Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, backup camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.